Hey everyone, I'm here, alive and well. So I want to give you a run through on what to expect from our online art class. So each week we're going to have 2 to 3 assignments. The best way to look at your assignments is to actually click on the classwork tab and not the stream. I'm going to have them labeled by week. So you'll just click on the week that we're in, and there you can see the assignments. Assignments are always going to be due on Friday, so I'll keep that consistent. I will also label on the assignment as well, just to remind you. Grades officially start this coming week, so on Monday. So I will attach a rubric to each assignment so you know that how they're graded for the different points. You can click on that. And if you have any questions or you need help with any of the work, if you go to the class information tab, here I have the Google Hangouts link. So click on that and it's almost like a chat room. And I'm there pretty much all day, but officially I'm going to be there 2 to 4 at my computer, so I'll be able to answer any questions or give you any help that you need. Other than that, that's what you can expect. I wish you guys are doing well. I miss the classroom. It's much easier and we have a lot more fun. But from here, if you know how to turn an assignment, you can go ahead and play the video. If you need help on turning an assignment, I'm going to go over that right now. So, like for this one, a lot of the projects I might have you upload a photo of your work. So after you've completed the assignment, then you're going to go into Add or Create. You'll click on that. And most of the time, it'll be a file. Like if you took a photo on your phone, you'll click on File, and then select a file from your device. So hopefully we'll just do this one. You just click on it, Open. You need to wait for it to load. Upload. Wait for it to load, and then you're going to click Turn In. And that's it. So if y'all have any more questions, again, go to the Google Hangouts for the classroom. Follow that link. I wish you guys well. Miss you. And take care. All right, bye.